arrangement is something I need to work on. And I guess I'm getting into the habit of creating something here and bringing it across, but where I guess I'm getting stuck is how to bring it together. It's a bit, I guess sometimes what you find is I'm thinking in parts in my head. I need this, and then in this, maybe in the ingredients, but I guess the image or the target isn't going hand in hand. Trying to fit pieces into holes, but not really seeing the bigger picture. I think that's probably where I'm getting stuck. And I think maybe that's what it is. That's what it's like when you're starting out, and trying to piece this stuff together. So yeah, I guess it does feel like this. Maybe I don't know, but we'll see. We'll carry on, keep building and see where we get to. But it's a bit frustrating, a bit boring as well. Sometimes because you're hearing the same thing go over and over, and I guess it's loop heaven, or loop hell even. But I guess it's trying to progress out of that hellhole of these loops. But seeing the bigger picture, I think that's the problem. Not seeing the bigger picture. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I need to go back to arrangements and see how other people have put their tracks together and work backwards from there. What parts I need, what sounds I need then in the library, and then come back. It's a bit difficult because then I have to start all over again when I'm trying to keep up with this video diary vlog, produce a challenge to produce something. But I guess maybe taking a step back and thinking, I don't know, maybe it's too soon to do such a challenge, maybe it's too difficult. Okay, well, I'm going to stop there. It's one of those days, I guess. Okay. Well, I guess I'm going to leave it there. I will see you on the next one. Not quite sure what the next one will be at the moment, but I'll put something out. Alright guys, bye-bye.